currently heading to Monoprix, which is a supermarket, because I'd like to find some chestnut to make stuffing. I'm hosting a pre-Christmas dinner this weekend. I have some family coming over and I wanted to cook some very festive dishes. So I'm going to cook some capon, which is chapon in French, with the stuffing inside with chestnut and but I'm going to show you the recipe. And we're also going to insert some footage I filmed 3 or 4 days ago, I don't remember, at Le Bon Marché, which is a famous store in Paris, because they have very beautiful decorations for and items for Christmas. To make the stuffing, so this is very easy. It's not a recipe I got from my family. It's I believe it's a recipe I found online, and I've been making this for many years, and we like it very much. So I'm going to make it. It's very easy, as I said. I've got some shallots. I'm going to cut them and to brown them in my Dutch oven with butter. I've got some butter here. And then I'm going to add the meat. This is some ground veal. It's about 200 grams, so 6 ounces, I think. And at the end, I will add some chestnut. So this is a glass container full of chestnut. It's about it's 400 grams and 420 grams. So I'm going to mash them and to add into the mixture at the end with more butter, and that's it. And afterwards I will stuff the poultry, because I like to put the stuffing inside my poultry, because I like the taste of the stuffing cooking with the poultry. But I know that some people are going to serve this as a side. But me, I prefer to cook it with the poultry. So let's get started. So first I'm cutting the shallot. I'm going to prep the chestnut. I'm going to mash them. So now I'm going to go ahead and brown the shallots. So I'm putting a bit of butter. I'm going to let it melt. If you don't want to cook your stuffing inside your poultry, you can add some broth into your stuffing at the end of the cooking, and you let it simmer for a while, for a bit, maybe 10 minutes, and this way your stuffing is going to have the same taste as if you were cooking it inside the poultry. Otherwise it's going to be a bit dry, I think. Or maybe you can add a bit of water, but some broth would be perfect. Our shallots are ready, so I'm going to add the veal, the ground veal, and to brown it a bit. That smells very, very good. Now I'm going to add the chestnut, but before I'm going to add more butter. And chestnut. I almost forgot the parsley. I was thinking, wow, it's not very green, it's weird. And it's because I forgot the parsley. So I washed my parsley and now I'm going to add it. This is the final product. I finally added more shallots. It's not a big deal that it's not cooked because it's going to cook inside the poultry, because it was not enough. And I added a bit more salt too. So now I'm going to set this aside and store this in the fridge. And I will add this to the poultry when I'm going to cook it. call it paradise. My poultry, it's a capon, chapon in French, and I'm going to insert the stuffing, so it's going to be a stuffed capon. And I've got some potatoes to serve with the capon. I've got some mash, which is a winter salad, and more chestnuts. And I've got some butter to put on to spread on top of the capon. And afterwards I will bake this in the oven for 3 hours because it's 3 kilograms, and 3 hours at low temperature, and after 2 hours I will increase at high temperature. So let's get started. And obviously I washed my hands before. So now it's ready. As I said, I'm going to to bake this in the oven for 3 hours at low temperature first, and I will increase the temperature at 180 degrees Celsius after 2 hours. But at the beginning, I'm going to start at 150.
초라한